Electrical boxes are a critical component of your home's electrical system. But for many do-it-yourselfers, the wide variety of boxes is bewildering. There are plastic and metal boxes, new work and old work boxes, round, square, and octagonal boxes, and boxes with load ratings for ceiling fans and heavy light fixtures. All of the most commonly used boxes for home wiring projects are available at home centers and large hardware stores, and it is important to know the difference in order to buy the correct box. There are a number of options to consider: material, shape, sizes, etc. Most electrical boxes are either metal or plastic. Metal boxes are generally made of steel, while plastic boxes are either PVC or fiberglass. Weatherproof metal boxes for outdoor use are generally made of aluminum. If you are using a metal conduit to run the wire to the electrical box, then a metal box is required, both to anchor the conduit and because the conduit and metal box system itself may be used to ground the system. If you are using non-metallic cables such as type NMB, non-metallic sheet cable, then you can use either plastic boxes or metal boxes as long as the cable is secured to the box with an appropriate cable clamp. Modern wiring systems with NMB cable usually include a ground wire inside the cable, so the box is not part of the grounding system. However, metal boxes must be connected to the system ground, usually with a short length of wire called a pigtail. Standard rectangular boxes are used to hold household switches and electrical outlets. Like other boxes, these come in a variety of new work and old work designs, some with built-in cable clamps. The same effect can be created by using standard rectangular boxes with a gangable design that allows the sides to be removed so that the boxes can be joined together to form one big large box. Round pan or pancake boxes typically are only 1/2 inch or 3/4 of an inch deep. They are used most commonly for ceiling or wall mounted light fixtures that weigh no more than 50 pounds. Some types of specially rated metal pan boxes may be used for mounting ceiling fans, but not all pan boxes may be used for this purpose. It is important that the fixture wires can be properly connected and fitted within the round pan box. These are shallow electric boxes with only enough space for fitting 2 or 3 electrical connections. If there are more wire connections to be made, you will probably need a full-size octagon or round electrical box with more volume. The number of wires in the box should never exceed the safe fill capacity. Square boxes come in standard depths of 1 1/4 to 2 1/8 inches, but their square corners give them additional interior space, providing maximum volume for multiple connectors and connections. For this reason, 4-inch square boxes are often used to run multiple conductors in 2 or more directions. They are also commonly used as junction boxes and can be installed in ceilings or in walls for supporting lighting fixtures or for housing switches or receptacles when matched with the proper cover plates. This is also known as a junction box. It is not a special type of box, but rather a term used to describe any standard electrical box used to enclose wire splices. The standard box used for junctions is a 4-inch square box, which offers plenty of space for making wire connections with multiple wires or cables, but other types of boxes can also be used for this application. Junction boxes must be installed where they are always accessible. Never install a junction box in a concealed wall or ceiling space where the box cannot be accessed in the future. Junction boxes also must be covered with solid covers and no holes. Electrical box covers come in a wide variety of sizes and shapes to match the different types of boxes. A cover is used to enclose the front of the box and is required by code. It is unsafe and usually illegal to leave an electrical box uncovered. Solid or blank covers have no holes and are typically used with junction boxes or for enclosing unused boxes. Covers for 4-inch square boxes may have special knockouts or cutouts to accommodate switches or receptacles. These typically include a raised center area that extends the box so that the opening for the switch or outlet will be flush with the exposed surface of the drywall or other wall or ceiling finishes. Weatherproof outdoor boxes are sealed enclosures designed for mounting on the surfaces of exterior walls, roof overhangs, decks, and other structures. They are used for installing outdoor receptacles or outlets with light fixtures. Outdoor boxes must have an outdoor cover or fixture rated for damp or wet locations depending on the application. Plastic outdoor boxes are usually made from high-impact PVC, while metal outdoor boxes are typically made from aluminum rather than steel. Box extenders or extension rings come in a variety of sizes and shapes to match the standard electrical boxes. They are shaped like boxes but have no back. They are designed to be installed onto the front of a standard electrical box to increase the box's capacity or to bring the box flush with the drywall or other surface material. Ready to go beyond just solving problems? If you've been following my daily post and enjoying the sample problems, you're going to love this. All of these problem sets and more are now available, or soon will be, on my official course site, my stand store for electrical training. Just go to the web address that you see at the bottom of this slide, https://stand.store/GVB. In order to help you with your holiday orders, we're excited to announce a new promotion for the 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀 Power Bank series, launching in both the United States and in Canada. This campaign features an extra 20% off on selected items, making it a great opportunity to highlight 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿�'s portable charging solutions during this final sales window of the year. In the United States, for 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿's Power Bank series, you can get an extra 20% off on selected items from December 23rd to December 31st. Simply connect to this link, https://us.ekoflow.com/collections/powerbank. And in Canada, for 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐿's Power Bank series, you can also get a 20% off on selected items from December 23rd to December 31st simply by connecting to this link, https://ca.ekoflow.com/collections/powerbank.